So, some of you know I'm getting ready to sell my house and I'm going to be listing on the MLS, but let me show you what's on the end of this long cord. Yeah, doing the domestic stuff. Whether you're a man or woman, this is a Bissell steamer. So to clean grout, but I'm gonna be, or whatever you need steam for, including on the vehicle, but I'm gonna be using this powerful machine to clean the top of the baseboard, and we know how those can get dirty collecting dust over time, and Athena's gonna help me. Now, she's gonna be spooked as soon as she hears this, but this is a great device, and I just recently got it, but listen to the steam. And please be careful whenever cooking. Steam generation, steam burns can be more significant than a direct burn from a heat source, because they'll go through all layers of the skin. 3 layers: ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. All right. Steam that baby up first, then just take a towel and get at it. And now some people may prefer just using a rag, but over time, you know, there's going to be some grime, including oils from our body and all the room deodorizers that we spray. Okay, so it takes some muscle to do that. But there, look at all that stuff. And I've already brushed the top of this. So, incredible machine. So, I'm gonna steam up the grout. Over there. That's my Roomba in the background telling me error. It's stuck. So there, that little piece up. That may be mortar in there. So, trying to find smarter, easier way of doing things. So, what does that say? Bissell Power Steamer. Extended reach. Yeah, it's definitely long extended reach. So, I could just plug it in and go through nearly the entire room. Cheers, everybody.